Soft, natural, and timeless. That's the American manicure. Now, the traditional American manicure used to be done with just regular polish, but we're putting a twist on it here today. So we're going to start by using our cover pink and our softer white, which is core white. And I'm going to start with my cover pink. So we're going to build out the body of our nail. I'm going to pick up our pearl of our cover pink and press, bounce, bounce, bounce. I'm going to hold that pearl 1, 2, 3, maybe up to 5 seconds or so, and then we'll set that onto the nail. Now I'm angling my finger downward so that my product is going to flow down the length of the nail while I press out my cuticle area. By allowing the product to flow, this is really going to start our smile line that we're creating. So again, just letting that flow, and then I'm going to come in with the edge of my brush, tucking in on those corners. So today we're going to be creating an active length nail, so we're not going to be building our nail body onto the form. We're just going to keep this right on that natural nail. But I'm just touching up and tapering in that smile line, perfecting that smile line, and really building up a wall. So building up a good ledge for our pink and our white to come together. Now, if you don't get your pink perfectly into shape, I am going to show you a quick trick here once this does set up so that you can really perfect that smile line. So we've got our smile line into place. I'm going to let this set up, and then I'll show you that trick to clean up and crisp up your smile line. All right, so our nail is set. So we're going to take a new file, and we're just going to go through and we're going to smooth out that free edge. We're going to go through and we're going to smooth out that smile line. So this is how we're going to get that really nice crisp shape to our smile line if you weren't able to completely perfect that in your sculpting. So if you're still learning how to perfect your smile lines, this is a great way to clean those up a little bit. So as you're filing, keep an eye on the dust pattern. This is going to show you if your smile line is nice and straight. So you're going to be able to see where that dust accumulates. And that's going to give you a better idea of what your smile line is going to look like once the nail is completely finished. So just keeping my file straight up and down, and I think we're good. So at this point, I can dust off the nail. I can use a little bit more swipe, so we'll cleanse the nail one more quick time with swipe. I'm just going to make sure that that natural nail is dry from the swipe, and then we'll apply our protein bond. And then we can go ahead and put our form on. Grab our form, pinch our tabs together. And on this nail, we're going to create a little bit of a shorter nail. We're not going to do quite so long. So for more active length, I'm going to pinch my form a little bit shorter. We're still going to do kind of an almond shape, but just pinching that shorter to help create the proper structure. Now we're going to use our core white. Core white is a little bit of a softer white. It's not as bright as the speed white. So when you're doing the American manicure, it is traditionally a softer look. So that's why we're going to go with our core white. So we're going to pick up our pearl, get a good sized pearl. I'm going to drain that out onto my towel. And then we're going to set that right at that smile line. Now, if any of the white gets up and over that smile line, that's okay, because we filed in that smile line. So when we do file and finish the nail, that smile line is going to be a beautiful shape. So we don't have to worry if the product gets up over the top, it'll all file off. So just tucking that right up into our corners, bringing down that free edge, and I'm just going to tuck in a little bit on those sides to create a little bit more of that almond shape. And just using the edge of my brush to clean up those edges. Now, if you find that you have little corners where maybe you missed a little bit of product, you can go back through, pick up just a nice small little pearl, drain out a little bit of that extra liquid, and just tuck that right up into those corners, making sure that you've got product all the way into that corner. And again, if you get that product up over the pink, not to worry, it is going to file off when we finish this nail. So don't worry about that. Just make sure that you do have enough product up into your corners and that you've got enough product meeting up with your white. So we're going to allow this product to set up. I'm going to file the nail, and then we're going to add one more detail to our American manicure look. So we've filed out our nail, we've got that beautiful soft French look, but to get that traditional American manicure look, we're going to add one coat of our new polish, and this is called Apple Core. And before we do that, I'm going to give the nail just a really quick, very light buff. I'm not going to completely buff this smooth, but just to remove a little bit of the scratches from my 150 grit file. Just going through with a 180 buffer. Again, just very gentle. We'll dust off the nail, give it a quick cleanse with our swipe, and then we'll apply a coat of Protein Bond just to really ensure that our polish is going to adhere well. We'll give that about 30 seconds to a minute to dry just on its own. And then we'll go ahead and add one coat of our polish. Now this is an air dry polish, so as you're applying it, you want to make sure that you're going to give this time to completely air dry before you seal it with your gel top coat. So again, we're going to let this dry until it's dry to the touch, and then we'll seal it with our gel top coat. Okay, so at this point we've let the nail dry for probably about a minute or so, and you can, if you look really, really closely, you can see just a little bit of texture. So you'll kind of use that as your indicator to know when the nail is nice and dry. If it still looks shiny and glossy and kind of has that wet look, that's going to tell you that it's still too wet to apply your gel top coat. But once you start to see that little bit of texture on the nail, that's a good indication that it's okay to top coat. So I'm going to use our conversion top coat. You really could use pretty much any of our gel top coats, but I do like the conversion top coat when I'm working over our air dry polishes. That's really one of the reasons that we have the conversion, is to be able to seal over your air dry polishes. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use one coat of our conversion top coat. We're going to fully cure this in the light for 60 seconds. Okay, so our nail is cured out, and because we used our conversion top coat, we're going to use our Manicure cleanser to cleanse off that tacky finish. Remove that layer. And we've got our beautiful modern American manicure, because elegance never goes out of style.